Hey there, we are going to our pre-algebra books today to lesson 81. Lesson 81 is percents that are greater than 100. Occasionally a number will actually grow from an original amount and it will end up being a percent more than 100. A lot of times we say something will increase by 40% or something. So it actually goes up. It ends up being more than the original 100%. And that's what this lesson is on. Again, they have some diagrams like we've done a little bit of before. You don't have to do these diagrams, but they may help you understand it a little bit. So I've got them written here just like in the book. And we're going to look at example 2, which is on page 228. And there's a problem that goes along with it, and the diagram I've already written here. The problem says, what number is 140% of 80? Find the number and then draw the diagram. So I've got the diagram here. Remember, you have a before amount, that's the original 100%. They call that the of number, so in this case it's of 80. They also have the after amount, which is what it grows to. In this case, it grows to 140%. Now, we don't actually know the answer yet, so I'm going to go ahead and erase it. It's there in your book, but the question is asking us to find this number because it's asking what is 140% of 80. And so that's what you do. You basically take the is number and the of number, and you kind of put them together to make an equation. So in this case, we don't know this. We're just saying some number blank, what is 140% of 80? So we can write that out. We just need to write in something for the blank. What we usually use is Wn for what number. So the blank is going to be Wn, what number, is equals 140%, and then of 80 is times 80. So the missing number here, to find it, all we've got to do is this multiplication problem. We've got to multiply 140% times 80. And when we do, we get that answer of 112. And that's how all of these problems will work out. There'll be one part of it that's missing, either this, the percent, or the of number. And you're always going to write it out as this equals this times this. And so whatever number's missing, you do a little bit of simple algebra and you find that missing number. So y'all will be working on the 30 problems in the lesson here. If you have any questions, just let me know and we'll see you soon.